Hello and welcome to our website navigation guide for Zahner Versatile Systems. From our homepage, I'm going to click on the actual Versatile Systems tab itself. And as you scroll down, you'll learn more about our Versatile Systems offerings. You'll see that the flat seam system is our featured system. And as you continue to scroll down, you'll see more of the Versatile Systems offerings. I'm going to click on the drop and lock system, which again is a dedicated page to the drop and lock. You scroll down, you can see a data sheet that you can click on, and it gives you more information about what that system entails. It shows you the components of the drop and lock system and some details that are available. If I go back to the drop and lock page and continue to scroll down, again, you can see more information about the components of that system, how it's installed, some shop photos of the components, some installation photos, and then some of Zahner's portfolio works that included or featured the drop and lock system. We also have flat seam, inverted seam, image wall, cloud wall, and we'll continue to add more versatile systems as we update our website.